Hi, proxy design pattern is one of the structural design pattern where the service is hidden behind some proxy and the client or the user cannot access them directly. Client need to go through single or several layers of proxy, and each layer may have different business logic like authentication or to filter out some data from the response. Let's jump into code and check how we can implement proxy design pattern. We will create a user class and call it browser. And from the main method, we will use web page proxy to load any web page. Let's create the web page interface. And have an abstract method render page, and it takes an argument web page URL. We will implement the web page in our web page IMPL class and override the render page method. Let us throw an exception in case of any error. And print the incoming web page URL rendered successfully. Web page IMPL is our actual service provider. Now we will create the proxy class web page proxy and implement web page interface. We will then override the render page method. In the proxy class, we will have a private variable web page of type web page. And in the proxy constructor, we will initialize it with new web page IMPL object. And in the render page method, block youtube.com using if statement, we will call the respective implementation render page method with the URL. And throw exception with message YouTube is blocked by Internet Service Provider ISP. And from the browser, when you try to load www.youtube.com, it should throw exception. We will wrap it inside try catch block and print out the exception message. Let's run it. We can see that www.youtube.com is blocked by ISP. Similarly, in if block, we can put more filters like contains word or use another proxy layer to filter pornography or any abusive websites. But proxy should allow productive web pages like Stack Overflow or medium.com. Let's test it. We can see that it rendered successfully. This is how proxy design pattern is implemented. That's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to CodeSpace. For any queries, write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.